taking forever.
Oh, that's cool. You can do that.
Alright, so this is your trachea. Okay, it's white and it's striated. That's how you know it's a trachea. This is what carries the air from the mouth cavity into the lungs. Next to it, you have your esophagus. This is your digestive structure. You know that's your esophagus because it is a smooth tube, and that's what carries the food from the mouth into the stomach cavity. You have various glands that are on your throat cavity. Okay, these are going to be your salivary glands.
And then the L one.
Yeah. Your nodes aren't that specific, but these are your lymph nodes. They're usually a little bit larger than that. More like they're smaller than that, but they're usually larger than that as well. Opening up your thoracic cavity.
The heart.
You have, yes, your heart, but you have to be very, very specific. Okay.
Ventricle.
You have your two types of your ventricles. It is separated by your septum. So you have to find your septum first. Septum is going to be a line. There it is right there. There's your septum.
I see it.
Okay, this will be your right or your left ventricle. Then your right ventricle would be on this side. So that means that this would be your right atrium, left atrium. These would be your right lungs, and then your left lungs. And then we have your special gland that is called your thymus gland. We have this part.
Diaphragm.
Yeah, there's your diaphragm. And then this is your entire liver. So you have your medial liver. You have your left liver, right livers.
Dorsal.
Yeah, your dorsal liver's under there.
Stomach.
This would be your stomach. It is connected by your esophagus here. This point of meeting is your cardiac sphincter. And then this is your pyloric sphincter that leads into the small intestine. So you have three parts of your small intestines, which are the...
I don't know. This one starts with a J, and then the one starts with I.
And then ileum. Yeah. And then this leads into your cecum here, and then that goes into your large intestines, which is your rectum and your colon and all of that. This is part of your spleen. This is your pancreas. This is part of your kidney. Put it over here where you can actually see it. Here's your kidney. On top of your kidney, you have an adrenal gland. Where is it? There it is. Adrenal gland is right there. No, just
can you pause your phone?
Here's your adrenal gland. Okay. You have two parts to your kidney. You have your
left kidney
cortex, and you have your medulla. Okay. Attaching your kidney to the urinary bladder is this small tube that looks like this, and that is called your ureter.
Would you pin that?
I could. I would pin it exactly like I'm pinning it now. That's your ureter. Your ureter leads into your bladder, which is actually non-existent.
It's right there. Your finger's having it.
This?
No,
that's the...
I had a pen attached to it.
Yeah, that might be it. The small one just isn't inflated. It won't look like that. It'll be a larger structure. These are your uterine horns. This will be your ovary. Attaching your ovary to your uterine horns is your oviduct. And I think that's it. Voila.
Wait, what's the vagina and the...
Oh, the vagina?
The vagina's where they meet.
Yeah, the vagina is where your uterine horns are going to meet. They will be right there.
I have to go. This one.